Here's some Assembly of First Nations trivia. Subscribe. What is the main purpose of the Assembly of First Nations? Is it A, develop tourism strategies, B, organize youth events, C, promote environmental policies, or D, advocate for Indigenous rights? The correct answer is D, advocate for Indigenous rights. What type of body is the Assembly of First Nations? Is it A, political party, B, cultural festival, C, local community group, or D, national representative organization? The correct answer is D, national representative organization. What is the focus area of the Assembly of First Nations regarding education? Is it A, Indigenous education, B, cultural preservation, C, environmental protection, or D, economic development? The correct answer is A, Indigenous education. Which annual gathering does the Assembly of First Nations organize? Is it A, National Tribal Summit, B, Native Nations Conference, C, Annual General Assembly, or D, Indigenous Leadership Forum? The correct answer is C, Annual General Assembly. Which treaty rights does the Assembly of First Nations advocate for? Is it A, Paris Agreement, B, Magna Carta, C, Treaty of Versailles, or D, numerous Indigenous treaties? The correct answer is D, numerous Indigenous treaties. What role does the Assembly of First Nations play in international forums? Is it A, representation of Indigenous issues, B, promoting cultural festivals, C, organizing youth events, or D, funding Indigenous projects? The correct answer is A, representation of Indigenous issues. What was the original name of the Assembly of First Nations? Is it A, Indian Association, B, National Indian Brotherhood, C, First Nations Council, or D, Tribal Federation? The correct answer is B, National Indian Brotherhood. What type of partnerships does the Assembly of First Nations promote? Is it A, tribal state partnerships, B, Crown national partnerships, C, Crown Indigenous partnerships, or D, federal local partnerships? The correct answer is C, Crown Indigenous partnerships. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.